Well, I bought this Niche battery charger, and it's a real good charger. Uh, it's brand new. I just made up this adapter for it. It's 18 volt supply, 100 watts of power, and I put a female Dean's connector on it. This came with male Dean's connectors, two of them, and its own plug to plug it in. And the way I made the adapter, I can run lights or anything like that. But my problem is I want to run lights and a fan at the same time. So what I've done is I've taken these old Dean's connectors I've got, and I've glued them together. And I took a piece of old tubing. It's capillary tubing for gas lines. It's copper. And I took it and I shaped some pieces, and I beat them down with the hammer using an anvil and a hammer, and I have shaped these to fit into this. I've glued them together using a cardboard template, and I've glued them together. I'm going to solder this all together to make myself a nice little 6-way plug extension for that, so I can run other units at the same time. I thought it was a good idea. I'll show you the finished product later.